Hey guys, this is Tanya from the I Can Do English Academy, and today I'm going to teach you two commonly confused words that kind of sound the same: inspire and aspire. Let's find out the difference. Let's look at the first word, inspire. So the first sound is inspire. So when someone or something inspires you, it makes you excited. It motivates you. It gives you the enthusiasm to do something.
You inspire me, Cara. I can see the hero within you.
Let's give you some more examples. This book inspired me to write my own novel. My mom always inspires me to fight for my dreams.
Mom, you're the best.
And the second word, aspire. So look at the first sound. It's a schwa sound. Aspire. Aspire means to want something very much or hope to achieve something.
Who is it that I aspire to be? That is the question that we should be asking ourselves all the time. What kind of person am I?
For example, you probably aspire to become a confident and fluent English speaker, right? And as your teacher, I hope to inspire you to work harder in order to achieve your goal. And let's give you some more examples. My 15-year-old brother aspires to be a billionaire. He aspires to become an actor one day. That's it for today, guys. Hope you know the difference now between those two words. In order to practice, please answer these two questions. What do you aspire to be or become? And the second question, does anyone inspire you? Write your answers in the comments below, and I'll see you next time.